How to select size in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can select the size of the products. First of all, open the application. Now simply tap or open the product that you want to purchase or buy. So here I'm scrolling for one, so this is the product that I want to purchase. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to know about the information about the product. Here on the bottom you can see this size section, so here you can simply select the size that you want to buy for. So here you'll be able to get a size guide too. So this is all set because of the features that you have added previously in your Amazon account. So select the size and later you can directly check out and buy the product. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.